Ben, les bons, tout de suite.
It smells good. Wow. Enchanté, Eric. Frédéric. Meet Chef Frédéric Myscile Rivière, a talented chef on the Île de la Réunion, a department of France in the middle of the Indian Ocean. Chef Frédéric has cooked in the kitchens of the island's big hotels, but today he's decided to give me a Réunion Creole cooking demonstration in a venue he feels more at peace. A kitchen shelter in the middle of the woods in the Forét du Rond. He already started prepping prior to my arrival, but he still had some minor prep for me to partake in. Crushed garlic and salt would be an ingredient in poulet fumé tijac. That's smoked chicken in a jackfruit curry, a traditional Réunionnais dish. In another pot, he'd make cari thon massalé, that's tuna masala curry, a local rendition derived from the island's Indian influences. Of course, on an island where sugarcane is the main crop, rhum agricole is plentiful, and it was practically obligatory to partake in it when stuff was simmering. For the chicken recipe, it's smoked chicken with a little oil, my garlic and salt, ginger, a little toss of the pot, a little water, chopped red onions, and a can of tomato pulp, although not everyone agrees it should have tomato. Finally, some shredded jackfruit, before covering and letting it cook. Next, the tuna masala curry. Chef Frédéric had already prepped the masala ahead of time with tomatoes, onion, garlic, ginger, and another staple crop of Réunion, curcuma, which you may know as turmeric. After tossing in the tuna, we let it cook until all the flavors of the masala really infused into the fish. And before we knew it, it was lunchtime. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Poulet fumé, tijac.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Cari, thon, massalé.
And now we're eating cuisine réunionnais. Bon appétit. Bon, c'est bon. Merci.